Chichi Kids Learning TV. Let's learn and have fun together. A is happy, waving from the left. Shark swims and shows its best. B is smiling, shining bright and true. Shark dances next to it too. C is cheerful, with eyes open wide. Shark swims along the side. D is dancing with a happy face. Shark twirls around in space. E is excited, bubbles float around. Shark makes a joyful sound. F is funny, smiling in the sea. Shark glides so happily. G is grinning, spinning through the sand. Shark swims and waves its hand. H is happy, splashing with delight. Shark blows bubbles left and right. How high! I is inviting, smiling in the sea. Shark waves and swims with glee. J is jumping, doing loops and spins. Shark flips with playful grins. K is kind, twirling in the blue. Shark swirls with joy too. L is lively, swimming in a swirl. Shark spins and leaps with a twirl. M is moving with a happy face. Shark glides in joyful space. N is nice, playing with bubbles around. Shark swims happily up and down. O is open, smiling at the sea. Shark circles joyfully. P is playful, moving here and there. Shark swims without a care. Q is quiet, drifting through the sand. Shark floats and waves its hand. R is radiant, blowing bubbles wide. Shark swims happily beside. S is smiling, swinging tail with glee. Shark dances playfully in the sea. T is twirling, proud and feeling bright. Shark swims with pure delight. U is unique, drifting soft and slow. Shark glides where sea currents go. V is vibrant, spinning through the waves. Shark dances as the ocean paves. W is waving, floating happily near. Shark swims with a joyful cheer. X is exciting, twirling through the sand. Shark spins and swims so grand. Y is yawning, smiling in the blue. Shark drifts gently passing through. Z is zipping, happy as can be. Shark swims underwater with glee. Great job learning today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.